Okay. Hello, I'm going to be doing the Tumblr accent challenge. It was brought to my attention that this was, around by my friend Rosie in the UK. I've never done anything like this. I haven't made videos in forever. So I'm going to give this a shot. Okay, so the questions are, I think there's like 20 questions. I'm going to start off with number 1 and just keep going. What's your name or username? My name's Talia. My username for Tumblr is Mindless Adventure. I just recently changed it, so, that's also my YouTube account, so if this will be uploaded to YouTube, you could hit that like button. It'd be fantastic. Where am I from? I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. So I don't know, for all of you people in like the UK or Southern America, I may have an accent to you. I know I have an accent, but I can't hear it. Say the following words: ant, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas caught naturally, aluminum, GIF, tumbler, Cracker Jack, doorknob, envelope, G-ploy. I don't know what that is. What's it called when you throw toilet paper over a house? Obviously TPing. What's a bubbly carbonated drink called? Pop. Or soda pop. But I call it pop. I've got friends in America that call it pop. Or soda. What do you call your grandparents? Grandma and grandpa. What do you call a three-wheeled